In this StockDreams AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to use the power of AI to create any image that you need for your business, for your videos, for your sales pages, for your clients, anything, all for a one-time fee. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out StockDreams AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, implement AI in your business, outpace your competition, skyrocket your conversions, traffic, and customer engagement with AI-driven visuals in under 60 seconds. Essentially, this software lets you create any type of image that you want for your business. You have full commercial rights to use them. Choose your image type, describe what you want in your own words, and you click generate, and your image is done. It's a really neat idea. It's a really simple but powerful software. And I'm going to show you some actual examples of it here in a second. But if you were going to go out there and pay for this, it could cost you $50 to $100 per image. If you're going to go out there and actually use something like Midjourney to do this, it's going to cost you a monthly fee, and you're going to have to deal with complicated setup. With this, it's one time, and you can create your images with this as well. So I'm going to scroll down here. If you purchase, again, it's a one-time fee, very low priced. I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Have you ever wasted hours searching for an ideal image for your advertisements, websites, or social media presence? And after hours of searching for the perfect image, you end up spending anywhere from $50 to $100 on a generic photo that's not 100% what you wanted. And on top of that, it delivers disappointing engagement and subpar conversion results. Been there, done that, but not anymore. You want a high quality image of a pink cow eating pineapples in a tropical rainforest? No problem. You need an icon for your new website? Just describe what you imagine and our AI will generate it. What about a businessman getting a call while anchored to a skyscraper? Consider it done. You might think right now, okay, but there's Midjourney for that. Yes, but not quite. Midjourney was made to create art, not high converting stock images for all your specific needs. And on top of that, it comes with a hefty price tag requiring a monthly fee that can quickly add up after a couple short months while also being quite complicated to use. What you need is a completely new, cost-effective, easy-to-use solution, one that brings you sales at the same time. And I'll tell you right from the start that we have an unfair advantage. Introducing StockDreams AI, transforming imagination into conversions. StockDreams is a state-of-the-art AI system built by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs, packed with the latest technologies in the AI universe, engineered to remove complexities and make image creation an absolute breeze, even for complete beginners. Built with entrepreneurs in mind, our AI system is specifically tailored to create icons, logos, brand characters, ad images, and product presentation images that will convert and skyrocket your business. Need a logo? Our AI system will generate it in mere seconds. What about a new character to represent your brand? No worries on that. Images for your ad creatives? We got you covered. No technical or design skills required. Just describe your vision and watch it transform into visual artistry. Every piece of content generated is royalty-free, offering you unlimited usage rights without any hidden fees or subscriptions. Let me show you how easily you can generate the perfect image for any situation in just 3 steps with StockDreams. Step number 1, choose the type of image you want from plenty of options. Step number 2, describe it with a few words. Step number 3, hit generate and your high converting image will be ready to download in just seconds. And to make this a complete no-brainer deal, we are giving you free access to our unlimited background removal feature. But you need to hurry. This offer is limited to the first 200 people. After that, we're switching this to a monthly payment fee. Just imagine being able to achieve all this, boost your sales without having to waste money and hours trying to do the work yourself. Or without having to even think about spending big bucks to hire image and graphics designers. Can you imagine that? Do you want to make it a reality? Now, here's the deal. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, and fail trying to do this manually. I'm offering all that you need in order to skyrocket your conversions on a silver platter. All I ask in return is to send me an email and let us know how your life changed after StockDreams. This is the most important thing for us, to see you succeed. And because of that, you won't have to pay $300, not even $100. For only a fraction of that, during this launch, you can get StockDreams for a ridiculously low price and finally boost your business with high converting images. However, please note, the longer this is on the marketplace, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the price you are seeing right now is the lowest price it will ever be, and it's increasing very soon. So here's what I want you to do. Don't refresh the page. Don't bookmark it for later. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and join the hundreds of successful StockDreams members today. After the launch ends, the price will increase significantly and eventually go to monthly pricing, as others such as Midjourney, for example, heavily charge month after month. But heck, even at $500, this would be a seriously good investment. You would get your money back in no time. I'm completely confident that StockDreams is exactly what you need to finally help your business grow and succeed. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my "this will work for you too," no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk for you. So click the Buy Now button below and join the StockDreams members. I almost forgot to tell you about the bonus. Because I want anybody to be able to profit from the power of StockDreams, even complete beginners, I will give you at no charge our Beginner's Guide, Make Money with AI Generated Images ebook that will show you how to make money with StockDreams. This ebook alone is priced at $47, but today you get it for free. This is a complete no-brainer offer. StockDreams is an unfair advantage. That's why a ton of advertisers and graphic design veterans begged us not to release this to the public. Do you want to make this a reality? If so, what are you going to do? Keep doing what you've been doing? Keep getting the results you've been getting? Or are you ready to take the shortcut? If so, click the Buy Now button below and profit from this crazy low discounted price and secure your spot right now. I look forward to seeing you all inside in the members area.
Okay, so we're back in the back end area here. Now, I just went in here and I just was playing around with it. I wrote a purple panda eating a sandwich in Venice, and this is what it set up for me. So look, it's a purple panda eating a sandwich, and we've got Venice in the background there. So as you can see, you can do these kind of images with it and so much more as you saw in that demo earlier. There are, of course, multiple upgrades. First one, it says here 10 times your conversions and customers with the Pro version. With the standard version, you have the image generator and the drag and drop editor. With this one, you can enhance the images, create variations, upscale images, vectorize, all these extra things, 15,000 PNG images, 15,000 backgrounds included with your Pro version of the software. Let's see if they've got the price here. This one you can get the monthly payment for $37, or you can do a one-time of $47. Obviously, you'd want to do this one instead of the monthly. Next one, it says you can elevate your branded visual content with effortless design. So with this upgrade, let's see what the features you're going to get with this one. You can select your template, customize, and deploy. So you can even take these images and design with them and create things like website banners, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, all these extra things using the images here. So this is a $37 one-time payment. And the last one is the agency license for this. With this, you're going to get, let's see here if I can find all the different features. With the agency license, you're going to be able to add new users in, add new clients, add projects, tasks, and really turn this into a business. This one is $67. All these upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about StockDreams AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you are a very technical person and you are happy paying monthly fees to Midjourney and you want to do it that way, you can do a lot of the stuff that this does with Midjourney, but you're going to pay monthly for it. What do I like about this? This is a one-time fee. You get to create images with it. If that's something that you'd like to do, be able to create any kind of images you want, use them for your business, use them commercially, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my StockDreams AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.